Hey Nicole, so today we're going to be moving into another unit. It's going to be called equations and expressions. So in this unit, we're basically solving for a letter. So the letter here is P. It could be X, it could be Y, it could be Z, whatever letter it is what we're going to solve for. So let's go ahead and rewrite this equation. So we're going to say P minus 18 is equal to 3. Alright, so we have to first solve for P. We want to get P by itself. So since 18 is a negative number, which we know because there's a negative sign in front of it, you're going to add 18. Now in your head, you're probably thinking, why are we adding 18? But the reason that we're adding 18 is because 18 is positive 18 is the opposite of negative 18. So since this is a negative sign, we're going to do the opposite. And we're just going to add 18 instead of subtract 18. So next, we're going to go ahead and move past the equal sign. We have a 3 here. So what do we do with this 3? Whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. So we added 18 here, so this cancels out. Now we're also going to add 18 to 3. Let's draw a line. We're left with this P. So let's bring the P down, and then P will be equal to whatever 18 plus 3 is. So 18 plus 3 is 21. P is equal to 21. And now this might be hard for you, so we're going to keep on working with this. I want you to know that there are two ways of solving this. Another way that you can do to solve P minus 18 is equal to 3. All you can do is do 18 minus 3, which is 15. What? I mean 18 plus 3. So sorry. Oh my gosh. Ignore that. 18 plus 3 is 21. So that's all you would have to do. Cool. Let's do one more. Well, not one more. Let's do some more. 18 plus k is equal to 30. This 18 is positive because there's no negative sign. So you're going to subtract 18 from this side. Whatever you do to this side, you have to do to this side. So you're going to subtract 18 from 30. Then you're just left with the k and the equal sign. So k is equal to 30 minus 18, which is 12. Another way you could approach this is subtract 30 minus 18. 30, that's right here, minus 18. You would also get the answer of 12. So k is equal to 12. Let's go ahead and do this one. X plus 21. Oh shoot, I keep messing up. I meant x minus 21. So x minus 21 is equal to 6. Since this is a negative 21, you're going to add 21 because you always do the opposite. Whatever you do to this side, you do to the other side. So you're going to add 21 to 6. You're left with x and the equal sign. Let me make this x better. So then you're going to do 21 plus 6 which is 27. Another way you can do this is 21 plus 6 is 27. And to get those numbers, I got 6 and 21 right here. So let's take some 27. Let's do this one. 19 plus n is equal to 30. Since 19 is positive, and we know this because there's no negative sign in front of it, we're going to subtract 19 because negative 19 is the opposite of positive 19. Whatever we do to this side, you have to do to this side. 30 minus 19. Draw your line. You're left with your n and your equal sign. 30 minus 19 is 11. Another way you can do this again, 30 minus 19 is 11. So we did that. I want to retry. What? Let me retry. I don't think it'll let me retry. So I'm gonna end the video here. We're gonna do some practice problems. We're gonna do a lot of them. So I just hope that I was able to introduce you to it. Like I just introduced you to it. If you don't get it, don't stress. We're still gonna work on it. All right? You can do this. Bye, Nicole.